These pigments are like a textured mica powder, and they're very heavy, so they sink to the bottom of the cup if you're not careful. So I start by putting just a little bit of resin in each cup with the colors first. Not the full amount, just a small amount to start. I'm mixing this first small amount thoroughly, making sure the glow powder is completely absorbed into the resin. This creates a concentrated color base. Now I'm moving from color to color, yellow, blue, reddish, orange, green, mixing each one thoroughly so the pigments can absorb into the resin properly. You want to make sure there are no clumps and the color is evenly distributed. This technique prevents the heavy glow powder from sinking to the bottom and ensures you get a nice, even color throughout. After I've mixed the initial small amount in each cup and the pigments are fully absorbed, then I top them up with the remaining amount of resin I mixed up. Now I'm mixing again to combine everything evenly. Look at these gorgeous, vibrant colors. The yellow is so bright, the blue is stunning, that reddish orange is beautiful, and the green is perfect, and all of these will glow in the dark. My resin colors are ready. Now it's time to pour them onto the silicone mat and create our lamp.